Hello students, good morning and Jai Swaminarayan to all of you. Today I am going to start revision. Okay, in revision I am going to start do as directed, rewrite as directed. So first example, it sounds pretty interesting. It sounds pretty interesting. Here the instruction is given, add a question tag, and I had taught you question tag in my previous video, and you know very well how to put question tag in sentence, how to assert question tag in sentence. First up, you have to identify the sentence, the tense of the sentence. So here it sounds, your verb is sound and it takes a S. So it's a simple present tense. The sentence is of a simple present tense, and as you know, in simple present tense, if you want to make negative sentence, then generally we use do and does. So your subject is it, verb is sounds. Okay, so the sentence is affirmative and question tag will be negative. If the sentence is affirmative, then question tag will be negative. So as per rules, you have to write whole sentence. It sounds pretty interesting. Then after you have to put comma and add question tag. Sentence is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Doesn't it? Okay, then after question mark. It sounds pretty interesting, doesn't it? Okay. Second example. Jimmy Wales is the finest chap in the world. An instruction is given, change the degree. In my previous video, I had taught you how to change the degree. I had taught you how to change the degree. So first up, you have to identify which type of this degree in the sentence given in the sentence. Which degree is given in the sentence? So Jimmy Wales is the finest. The finest, it means it's a superlative degree. From the superlative degree, you can change positive and also comparative degree. So here Jimmy Wales is the finest chap. So here finest is the adjective. The three form of the finest. The main adjective form is fine, finer, and finest. So if you want to make positive degree, so we use no other. No other, then after noun, no other chap in the world. In the world is so fine. Is so fine as Jimmy. No other chap in the world is so fine as Jimmy Wales. So the sentence is converted into positive degree. A sentence positive degree में convert हो गया. No other chap in the world is so fine as Jimmy Wales. Now third example. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke quickly. An instruction is given, use no sooner than. You have to use no sooner than. So first up you have to change H. As the policeman walked to him, the man spoke quickly, and you have to use no sooner. So no sooner. Here sentence is given of a simple past tense and we use no, it means negative sentence. Then generally we use did. We use did. No sooner did the policeman, no sooner did the policeman, then after use main verb, walk up. Because we use here did. When we use did in the sentence, then generally main verb will come. What will come here? Main verb. So no sooner did the policeman walk up to him, then you have to remove comma and use then and put then. No sooner did the policeman walk up to him than the man spoke quickly. The man spoke quickly. Okay? Understand everybody? No sooner did the policeman walk up to him than the man spoke quickly. You have to remove the comma and use then. No sooner than. No sooner did. Why we use here did, you know? Because the sentence is of simple past tense. As the policeman walked up. It means it's a simple past tense. Second form of the verb here is given. So we use, when we use no sooner, then it's a negative sentence. The sentence will be negative. And in simple past tense, if you want to make negative sentence, then we use did. So no sooner did the policeman walk up to him, then the man spoke quickly. Okay. Next example. He thought it was the only place on the earth. He thought it was the only place on the earth. Make negative. You have to make a negative sentence. So friends, if you want to make negative sentence from assertive sentence, so first off you have to read the sentence carefully and tense of the sentence. Your thought is the verb, second form of the verb, and it's a simple past tense. If you want to make negative sentence of simple past tense, then we use did not. He did not think, and main verb will come. What will come here? Main verb. So he did not think it was the place on the, it was the only place on the earth. He did not think it was the only place on the earth. Next example, fifth number. When you struck the match, comma, I saw it was the face of a man wanted in Chicago. Use as soon as. दोस्तों यहाँ पे यूज करना है as soon as. So first up you have to read the sentence. When you struck the match, कब? जब आपने क्या जलाई? माचिस जलाई. I saw it was the face of man wanted in Chicago. तो मैंने क्या देखा? वो चेहरा देखा जो शिकागो में वांटेड था. शिकागो में वो वांटेड था. ऐसे चेहरे को मैंने देखा. कब? जब तुमने मैचिस, क्या? मैच मतलब माचिस जलाई. So use as soon as, so we have to remove when, हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, when को remove करना पड़ेगा. So we remove when and use as soon as. As soon as you struck, as soon as you struck the match, as soon as you struck the match, I saw it was the face of wanted in Chicago. As soon as you struck the match, I saw it was the face of a man. It was the face of the man. It was the face of the man wanted in Chicago. Okay, friend. So here we have completed 5 sentences of a rewrite. Do as directed. So we will continue in our next period. Jai Swaminarayan to all of you.